Okay, I'm nervous right now. I'm going to dye my hair from red to black. Technically, it's not quite black, it's 2.0, but this is like I'm like shaking a little bit, I'm like nervous. This is one step away from black, so it's basically gonna be black. So since my hair is red with some yellow from fading, I think what I'm going to have to do first is color it a little bit darker, so like a light brown, and then from there go to black, just because I need to fill out some of this hair right here, because I think if I just go straight in with the black, this color is going to be a little bit lighter. It might look like a little bit patchy, so I'm going to do that first and then put the black in. Again, I'm very nervous right now, so we're gonna see how this goes. This is what happens when you're in quarantine. You color your hair colors that you maybe shouldn't be doing. Oh. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is use, this is Koleston Perfect. I can't even hold the boxes straight, you guys. I'm so nervous. I've had red hair for so long. It's just so hard to maintain. Even my roots like start getting lighter. This starts to fade, and it's only been like 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with 4-07. So this is like a brown with a filler in it. So I'm going to try to fill the cuticles first with color, so that way when I put the black over it, it'll stick better. Now you could use a 10 volume developer. I have 20 and that's all I have, so that's what I'm going to be using today. Can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the first color here. Maybe I'll just use the whole thing. I don't think I'm gonna have to use it again. And just so you guys know, when I went to the beauty supply store to pick this stuff up, I actually just called them over the phone first, told them what I wanted, and then paid for it over the phone, and they literally just brought it out to me in my car, which was really nice. Okay, so I'm just mixing this. You guys can't really see it. I feel like if I tip it too much, it's going to spill. But I'm just gonna mix this up and put it on. I'm gonna go right to my roots first. I feel like that's the easiest way for me to color my hair. Depending on if your hair is like virgin hair up here, if you have new growth, and then this is all colored, you might want to start with the ends first, depending on like your ends are blonde and then this is brown. Start with the blonde and then go with the brown. My hair is all pretty light and weird, so I'm just going to start with the roots just because for me it is easier. This is so clumpy. Can you guys see that? It's not mixing up very well. Okay. And I also don't have any gloves left, so my hands are going to turn brown. Whatever, that's fine. So here's my red hair, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put the brown in now. I should probably section it. I think I'm just gonna section the back out and do the front first, and then I will go into the back. Normally I'm just doing red, so it really doesn't matter if I section my hair, but I'm just gonna do this first. So do the front and then the back. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. There's still a couple of clumps in there, but I can't really seem to get them out, so whatever. Just gonna start applying it. Again, I'm really nervous, you guys. What if I hate it? Oh, I've had red hair for so long. I feel like people aren't gonna recognize me. So I'm just going in and doing the roots first, just grabbing sections and applying it. My roots are probably gonna take really fast, which is fine. The whole thing's gonna end up dark anyways, so whatever. Okay, so I got those roots. I'm gonna go to this side. I think I grabbed too much hair right there. That's okay. Just drop some on my pants. Okay. This is like the messiest hair dyeing job ever. I think it's because I'm really nervous. Okay, let me speed this up a little bit for you guys so you don't get bored, and I will see you in a second. Okay, so I have the roots done. Now I'm gonna go through and put it through the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna use my hands. Again, I'm not doing this the right way, but I don't really care. I just wanna kinda lather it on and get it everywhere. So I'm just gonna rub it in. Goodbye, red hair. I'll miss you. Okay, so I got it on, you guys. I'm hoping that I got the whole entire thing saturated. I definitely did it like super messy and not the right way. Instead of doing sections, I just kind of blobbed it in. So we shall see what happens. The good thing is I'm gonna be doing black after this, so I guess it doesn't really matter too much. Here's what it looks like right now. I will see you guys in about 25 minutes. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. Here's what it looks like. Some of the hair is falling down. So it still kind of has like a little bit of a red tint to it, or like a maroon color going on, which is fine. This is just the filler. So I'm going to rinse this out, blow dry my hair, and then I will be back to put the black on. Okay, so this is the first go with the filler. So you can see the top of my hair is still red. The bottom's darker. I think underneath might still be red too. Anyways, so that was step one. Now I'm going to do the 2 right here, Koleston Perfect. So this is 2. It's not quite like the blackest black, but it's going to be pretty damn black. So I'm going to mix this up, put it in my hair, and I will show you guys the final result. I do have to say I did not do my hair how I should have. I did not section it the right way. I didn't section it at all, actually. I didn't do like piece by piece. I just kind of put it in there. So hopefully it works. Hopefully I saturated the whole entire thing. This is clearly not normally how a cosmetologist would do their hair or color someone else's hair, but this is how I'm doing it today. So we will see. I'm gonna wait 25 minutes and I'll be back. So it's been the 25 minutes. Here it is. It is extremely dark. I'm extremely nervous. Yeah, I'm gonna rinse this out, blow dry it, and style it, and I will show you guys what it looks like. Here is the final result. What do you guys think? So it's like a huge difference compared to the red. I'm not quite sure at this point what I think about it. The good thing is we are in quarantine, so I don't really have to go in public for a while, so I can kind of stew on it. And I'm hoping after a couple washes it might fade a little bit. I'm not for sure since I put the filler on how much it's going to fade, but we will see. I think every color fades a little bit, so I'll give it a couple days and see what happens. And yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. Without being too mean, please. Don't hurt my feelings too much. But yeah, here we are. So here's the before with the red hair. And now. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.